Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, ma'am. Firstly, let me introduce myself again. My name is Muhammad FADLI with NRP 203015 Nautical Study Program. In this opportunity, I will explain some example of PPE and safety equipment on board ship. Okay, first, I will explain about PPE. What is PPE? PPE is a tool as a last resort to reduce the risk of a result of accident on a sailing ship. These tools help the worker to stay safe, secure while working on the ship. Okay, now I will explain 5 examples of existing PPE that I know. The first is protective clothing. Protective clothing is a coverall which protects the body of the crew member from hazardous substances like hot oil, water, welding spark, and anything else. It is popularly known as a dungaree or boiler suit. Okay, the second is helmet. Why helmet is so important? Because the most important of our human body is our head. It needs utmost protective. It needs utmost protection, which is provided by a hard plastic helmet on a ship. A chin strap is also provided with the helmet, which keep the helmet is stay on the place when there is a trip or fall on the ship. Okay, the third is safety shoes. Safety shoes ensure that nothing happens to the crew member feet while working on board ship, because their shoes are made to protect the feet of worker from unwanted accident. The fourth is safety hand glove. Different type of hand glove are provided on board ship. Some of the glove provided are heat resistant glove to work on hot surface of substance, cotton glove for a normal operation, and welding glove for a welding things, and chemical glove and anything else. These gloves are made with material that can withstand a variety of conditions on ships, so it's safe to use. Okay, the fifth is goggles. Eyes are the most sensitive part of our human body, and in daily operation on a ship change are very high for having an eye injury. Protective the glass or Protective glass or goggles are used for eyes protection, with area welding goggles are used for welding operation, which protect the eye from high intensity spark. Okay, that's the 5 PPE that I know. The next is, after we knowing the PPE, let's learn about the safety equipment on board ship. I will give a little explanation of the safety equipment on board ship. Safety equipment is a safety device on the ships which will very useful and needed in a certain circumstance. There are also 5 examples of safety equipment that I will explain briefly. The first is a lifeboat. Lifeboats are used to save people in danger situation. Lifeboats in the form of a small boat are put on the right and left side of the ship, or rather in the lifeboat deck. Uh, Lifeboat is made from metal, wood, or fiberglass. Inside the lifeboat usually prepared some life support equipment such as food, drink, medicine, and equipments to seek the assistance to other ship. So it very useful, right, when our ships are wrecked or something. Okay, the second is ring life buoy. Ring life buoy and life jacket used to float the person above the water. Life buoy is shaped like a tire, and this life buoy will be thrown into the water if the passenger fell into the sea. This life buoy must have striking color for easy recognition. Uh, like orange, yellow, red, or something like that. And the third is life jacket. Life jacket is worn like ordinary clothing. This life jacket is used for floating on the sea when an emergency situation occurs. Life jacket helper must also have a striking color so it will be noticed easily. Uh, the jacket should be required with a whistle attached to rope to draw the attention of rescuer near. Okay, the fourth is survival suit and immersion suit used as protection and to prevent the body temperature drop due to cold seawater. Uh, and then the last is the five is media protective heat or thermal protective aid, used also as a body protector and to reduce the loss of the body heat. That's the five safety equipment. After we know the various type of the PPE and safety equipment on board ship, I hope in the future we can understand how to use this tool properly. I also hope this explanation can be useful for other in using all kind of these tools, so we can save other life or our family life. And I think I reached the end of my explanation video, and I close this meeting by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.